Hi mate, here we are again, day 3 update. I've moved round to the other side of the lake on a feeder set up for some of the big perch that's in here up to £3. I'm going to have a try and give you some rod action. It's alright, I've just had a knock there. I'm going to stop and swap over to the other view. Oh, there we go, the Evo 2 set up with the tip. I've got the heavy tip on this time, the 2-ounce one, and just see if we can have something out. I did get snapped up on a big tench earlier on, but so far things are pretty good. Oh, there was a nice solid little tick round. Let's see, it's going to be difficult because my little colleague's not here to help me with this today, so update you shortly. Rob, we're just into another little fish here. I don't know what it is. It might be, it's just another little rudd, but they're fin perfect, beautiful things. I'll just wheel them in. Oh. Yeah, it's only a baby, this one. A handful of gold, mate. Rob, I'm just getting a few knocks. Look, you can see the tip going. I've just had a 10-ounce rudd. I've just dipped out on a £3 crucian again. And we're in. Yeah, oh, that's a better one. Keep it rolling, Bobby. Oh, no, it's just a perch this time. Just a small perch. But the bites here are absolutely phenomenal, Rob, as you can see. I mean, the weather is atrocious, the pressure's dropped. And I'm still catching some nice fish. The rest of the lake is pretty much deserted. And I'm pulling a few out. Just a small handful, nothing serious, but makes the tip go. Wait for the next one. Thanks, Bobby. Okay, Rob, just a couple of minutes here showing you what's happening with the tip. Literally, it's been in 30 seconds there, I've knocked back already. I'm a bit loath to strike it because some of the smaller stuff tend to pick it up, drop it, pick it up, drop it. But it's been pretty much non-stop. Okay, Rob, the tip just went right round there. This thing's heading into the reeds, and it's another golden tench. Slightly bigger than the last one, but like I said, pound for pound, these things are incredible. On the worst day of the lake, the last fisherman has just packed up. Even the carp guys are all even in the pavilion having a beer, and I'm out here catching little exotics like that. Absolutely fantastic sport. Update again later. Hello mate, I've just put that tench back in to the swim. It's been non-stop, and as I said, I'm the only one fishing. The added bonus is, if you'd like to follow me out this way, I want to show you something. Well, there's the swim, and if you want to follow me round, as you probably recognise, there is Cole's car, and there's the bungalow where we're staying. I'm just going to walk over now and order a bacon and egg sarnie and a cup of coffee. Forget France, you've got to come here, mate. Okay, cheers. Hello mate, another update. I've just put that golden in, and I've just seen a £6 tench swirling around to my right. I've dropped the feeder right on top of it. I've had almost an instantaneous tap on the tip. It seems to have settled down now for a minute or two, but as you can probably tell, the skies are grey, the wind is high, it's chucking it down with rain. I've had a nightmare trying to set the umbrella up. The tip's still playing a little bit. Seems so. There's another little tap there, and he's going over. Oh, I'm going to get him next time. Hi Rob, the tip's just gone round while I was moving the umbrella. It's fighting like a sod, but it won't be big. It's another golden tench. Pound for pound, these things are the most exciting sport I've played for a long time. It's just in the net, in the bag. Unfortunately, you missed out on seeing the tip go round, but as they say, beggars can't be choosers. just give me a second or three. At the most inconvenient time, and these things, they do go some. They really do, and they're in here up to £8, mate. Real quick look at him. How's that? Brilliant. Alright, another update shortly. Hello mate, it's another update. We've just left the bungalow because I need to go and top up with some worms. The guy that was carping there's gone, the other guy there's gone. As you can see, it's pretty much deserted. Got one guy over here fishing on the corner, but everywhere else is completely dead. They're all fair weather fishermen, I think. So I'm just making my way round now to the tackle shop, and we'll top up on some worms and some more amino black and carry on. Another update shortly. Hello mate, just another quick update. I've had to stop for a cigarette and a cup of coffee. Just been round and bought some more worms and another bag of amino black. It's brightening up a little bit, as you can probably tell from the light level under the umbrella here. But I've just been over and spoken to Tim, who runs the place. I'm the only guy catching anything sensible. Every time my rod goes, people are looking over and watching what's going on. I'm absolutely exhausted, and we're only sort of 2/3 of the way through day 3. Another 3 days to go yet. The carp, I'm afraid, is going to have to wait a bit longer. The weather for tomorrow doesn't look too promising down here. But apparently Wednesday into Thursday the pressure's going to come up, and I will try and get at least a 20-pound common out of this lake if I can. If not, I'll have to move over onto the big lake, but nobody's catching there at all. Whether it's the change in the weather or the change in the pressure, I'm not sure. I'll give you another update later. Take it easy, buddy. Well, the usual thing's just happened. I've just lit a cigarette, Rob, and I'm in again. It's really, this one's a little bit better. It feels like it might be a crucian, but it's coming under the reeds, out of there. You really, with this light setup, you have to give it some. Here she comes. Oh, it's a lovely golden. Look at that. That's absolutely brilliant. Oh, dear me. Yes. In the bag. This one probably goes maybe 3. Oh, it's quite a lump. It's quite a lump. But more like 2 and a bit. How about that, mate? Fantasy Island. More updates to come.